Welcome to another video. This week I'm going to be making some Valentine's Day crafts and cards. My first craft is to make Lovebugs, so you'll need some pom-poms in pink, red, white, and other Valentine's Day colors, some silver pipe cleaners, foam hearts in Valentine's Day colors with or without an adhesive backing, some tiny googly eyes, some scissors, a hot glue gun, and some hot glue. So getting started, I'm just going to take one of the pipe cleaners and fold it in half. And then I'll take that half and fold it in half again. And when I have 4 segments, I'm going to fold those in half and curl the ends. These will be the antennas for the Lovebugs. Now these are really easy to put together. You just take pom-poms and the foam hearts and 2 Google eyes for each one, and you glue them together using the hot glue. Alright, and with those guys done, it's time to move on to the Valentine's Day gift tags. So there's a template that you can find in the description. You'll need that along with some scissors and some small heart doilies and a glue stick. The ribbon and hole punch are just for attaching the gift tags, and the stickers are optional. I'm just going to start by cutting out the template. When you go to print out the template, you just want to make sure you're using a different color from the small doilies that you're using. So in this case, I'm using white doilies, so I printed my template out on red cardstock. Once you have those cut out, you want to glue on the doilies. I recommend blotting the glue onto the back of the doily to make less of a mess. After that's glued down, feel free to decorate however you would like. I'm going to use these foam stickers. I'm just going to finish these up by writing on the back of them. And then to attach them, just punch a hole in the top, thread it with ribbon, and then tie it on to whatever gift you're giving. In the video description, you'll also find a template for a heart-shaped card. It uses the same idea as the gift tags by using the paper doilies, but allows you to write on the inside of a card instead of just the back of the gift tag. There's one last template available in the description of this video, and that's for print and color Valentines. To use them, you just need to print them on cardstock, cut them out, and color them. So there's a few different ways you could go about coloring these. You could use fine tip markers. You could use crayons, although it is harder to color in the letters with these. what I really recommend to color these with are colored pencils. They're really the best for getting into the small spaces of the letters and the points of the pom-pom love bugs. Any way you color these, I hope you have happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next week.